Okay, so now we're going to take a look at how you find the history of the activity that you did. So again, to go scrolling through the menu, you're going to push the right button with short pushes. So the first one is training. That's what we did in the last video when you set up your training session. The next one is activity. And then the next one is history. That's what we want. So we're going to push and hold. And it's going to demonstrate other outdoor. That was what we did. So I'm going to push it again. Long push, sorry. And this is going to show you the various things that I did. So after I actually set up the training for the last one, I took a run around the school and I came back. So I ran for 4 minutes and 10 seconds. That's the duration. The next short push shows what my average heart rate was. So HRAVG is heart rate average. That's 119 beats per minute. You push it again, and this was the maximum heart rate. This was the highest that it went. I went as high as 153. And that's how many calories I burned, 36 calories. And then it takes you back again to the duration or how long you did the activity. Okay, if you want to go back, you're going to push the left-hand button. That'll take you back to other outdoor, and you push it back again. It goes back to history, and you push it again, and you get to the beginning. So that's how you can do that. I believe that the watch will show the last 5 histories of the activities that you did. So after 5, it's going to bump up to the next thing. So all you'll be able to see are your last 5. So it's a good idea to write down or record the values from your very last activity so you can keep track of what day you did it. Okay, thank you.